సెప్టెంబర్ 3, 4, 2024 హైదరాబాద్‌లో సమున్నతి వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో FPO కాంక్లేవ్ జరిగింది. ఇందులో దేశం నలుమూలల నుంచి రైతుల సంఘాల వారందరూ వచ్చారు. రకరకాల విషయాల మీద ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ జరిగింది. ఇందులో టెక్నాలజీ విషయం కానివ్వండి, కొత్త ఆవిష్కరణలు కానివ్వండి, లేకపోతే కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్స్ గురించి కానివ్వండి, రైతు సంఘాలకు కావాల్సిన ఆర్థిక సహకారానికి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు, నాలెడ్జ్కి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు, రకరకాలవన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో మనకి చూడడానికి దొరికాయి. ఇంత ఇన్నోవేషన్ జరుగుతున్న ఈ ఏరియాలో కొన్ని అనుభవాలని మీ ముందర ఉంచుతున్నాము. FPOలకి ఈ కాంక్లేవ్లో వచ్చిన అనేకమైన కొత్త విషయాలు FPOల ప్రగతికి చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయని ఆశిస్తున్నాం. మానవ లోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా నవలోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా లోకానికి స్వాగతం. Any farmer in India wants very predictable irrigation systems in his field. Particularly rain-fed farmers are always keen on having a water system that is in their control and they can predict about water irrigation systems. Currently I am standing with Kaushik of Ekathva, and they have some very interesting solutions to irrigation scheduling and irrigation planning for farmers. Hello Kaushik.
Namaste.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, so this is Kaushik and I'm a co-founder of Ekatva Innovations. We are a R&D based company who is doing a irrigation management system where we are doing a custom made irrigation controllers for small and medium farmers, for someone having up to 5 acres or 6 acres. So where
are you located? Where are you working?
Shimoga in Karnataka. So what we are basically doing is irrigation control is one of the problems which everyone is trying to solve. So even the big players are doing this from the ages, right? So Jain irrigation, take any big players. But the major problem over there is the same modules cannot be used for the smaller versions. So what we are doing, we are giving a very custom made solution for this farm specific application. Okay. So if you have one motor with 2-3 valves and you want to control, so farmers irrigation happens with the electricity availability happens more at the night time also, so they have to visit the farm and do the irrigation. Even if they put a auto shutter or whatever they off the shelf available, they don't have any control to turn it off. Right. So that way the water is getting wasted, the nutrients content is getting wasted. So what we are giving is a scheduler based control where you can see a mobile application where they can just control the motors. Okay. They can see whenever the power is available or not, and wherever the valves are available, which valve is turned on, which is turned off, everything. And more importantly in a vernacular, so whatever the language they want. And also it is made very farmer friendly. Even someone who don't know what to read and write, they can just see the imagery and conclude this involvement. For this we are also having a scheduler based where they can schedule according to their plan. 1 hour, 1 wall, then they can shift. Automatically it will happen. Okay.
They can program according to their
in the mobile application you will have a provision to program each wall at what time, at what amount of water or whatever time we can do that.
And the data is also accumulated at the farm.
Yes, so this is the mobile application at the farmer end, so he can see whenever it is happening. They can get in the notification if the power goes off, power comes in, dry load is happening or overload is happening. All those information can be seen in the mobile application itself.
So this particular sensor is attached to the pumping systems.
Correct.
And then it is controlled.
Yeah, so basically farmer will have these kind of what you can say control system, manual control system. We retrofit with the IoT solutions. So it will automate it simply, and then wherever the valve is there, we automate with the solenoid valves with the solar packs. Yeah, that's how we, before we providing, we actually go to the farm and see what are the valve arrangement, whether it is centralized system or decentralized system, whether they are having, if it is a drip irrigation, they will have 2 valves at a time. Those things we will see, and then we
accordingly you design this
plan. Yes, it's not like we have a solution, we put it in the form, we go there and see the plot, and then we customize it. Yes.
And currently how many farmers are using this?
More than 25 farmers in and around Karnataka is using this product successfully from past 1 year.
Okay. And this is a recent innovation?
Recent innovation, yes. I mean innovation as in the whole irrigation control from 10 years it's doing, but for the smaller farmers it's not innovated. So we are doing is very cost effective and user friendly modules for irrigation control. Small farmers. Yes.
How much does this cost?
Just for the motor control it will cost somewhere around 10,000, but that comes with the valve upgradation. So for let's say for 2 acres with 2-3 valves, it will come up within 50,000 of whole control system.
For all valves?
All valves, everything included. We replace with the manual valves with the automated valves, IoT valves, and then we give all the installation, and then they can use it from the mobile application.
It is 50,000 for the entire system.
Around 50,000 for 2 acres with 2-3 walls system that way.
Oh.
Yeah.
And this basically improves the efficiency and
A lot.
predictability of water.
Yeah, lot. It will increase the effectivity of whatever the watering is happening, and then productivity in a larger time, productivity improves. Because so water is one element where you give in a metered way, it will yield more crop. So if you just over irrigate, all the nutrients, fertilizer, whatever the inputs you give, it drains out of the root level. So it's a nominal watering you have to do. The farmers knows it well, because for each plant how much water they need, they know it well. So what we are trying to do is empowering them with the application.
Information,
Anytime, anywhere they can control and manage that irrigation. That's the whole idea behind this.
It's very nice to know about Ekathva technologies. Basically, they are hitting the nail on its head. You know, the small farmers are always deprived of innovations, particularly no technology is in their control. But I think this irrigation system control is in the hands of small and marginal farmers. It controls water scheduling, water irrigation planning, and everything can be planned with the help of a smartphone in their hands. And I wish you good luck in your future.
Thank you so much.
I hope all farmers will eventually switch over to this system.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.